Lachanach 3, page 3. Okay. Geall she anan chig cornflower a rev Geall agus glini and a shasav in luchipi. So she walked over to a sideboard where bottles and glasses were standing in serried ranks. Okay. So Geall she walked. I'll explain that when we get there. Geall she walked. Anan means across or over. Okay, so from wherever she was, over. So when you say across or over in English, anan is often the word used in Irish. Chig is towards. Cornflower is a sideboard. Okay. A rev on which there was Geall are bottles, agus glini are glasses, in a shasav standing or in there standing in Irish. In luchipi, hippie are ranks, like if you have soldiers or such, ranks. Lu means kind of close together or compressed, like we'll have later the word luyiska, which is a CD, a compact. So it's compact ranks. So basically they're all lined up, right? I didn't write it, I just, okay.
What's a series?
Yeah, I don't really know. So you can think of close ranks maybe, but I don't really, basically you have rows of things that are close together, okay?
I have a question, Shanti. What's a sideboard?
Sideboard.
It's a piece of furniture in the dining room. You line up.
Yeah.
A lot of times you
Kinda like a
open the lid and
portable
all the
shelf.
bottles are in there and the glasses and you serve liquor.
It's a buffet for alcohol.
Or you can put your dishes that you're gonna serve for your meal there.
Yeah.
I'll put
Okay.
a shelf.
Okay. So.
Think
That's what it
buffet.
sounds like.
So we have a similar expression to one we had on the previous page where we had the in a will, so an eich in a will share. So we're talking about, I think it was the car where it was parked, an eich in a revan Porsche parkalcha. So there's a similar one here, and that's talking about the place on which something is. Okay, so in a will is in which it is, a will is on which. Okay, so the place on which it is, an eich a will she. Okay, and the place on which it was, an eich a reb she. And then the place on which I left it, an eich agme. Okay.
That's my mother's favorite expression, is wherever you put it.
Okay. Hey, tashe, so you would say, actually in that case, tashe in a eich. Actually, we'd probably say in that case. So tashe and eich in our agtue. So it's in the place in which you left it. Yeah, good expression
Write
for
that
that.
down just for my mother.
Okay. So next time he loses something, you can use that on him.
She,
Because your mother, I
That's my
thought
mom's
you
favorite.
You don't have a brother, do you? Okay. An eich in our agtue. Okay. So if you want to say, you can say tashe. So you can say it's on the table on which you left it. So tashe er mord er agtue. Okay.
she's never that helpful.
Okay. That would be on the table you left it on. So out of several tables, it's on the one you left it on. Okay. Okay. All right.
What's the first one, Shanti? The where?
It is in the place in which you left it. So it's where you left it. Tashe in a eich in or agtue. Okay. So Geall she anan chig cornklar. A rev Geall agus glini. In a shasav in luchipi. Yeah. So kippy would be the troops or ranks. Okay. And then the next one, huh? Kesht.
What's the difference between sanat and inanot?
Yeah, you can use sanaj. Yeah,
Did you change my sentence?
yeah, sanaj. Let me see.
You can say it either way, or?
Actually, it would probably be better, like Tasha and Tasha and Aich would be it's in its place. Yeah, so Tasha Sanaj in our Agtue is probably better. Tasha Sanaj in our Agtue.
The same thing either way.
Yeah, San would be better in this case, yeah. Ina would be like Tasha and Aich, like it's in its place. Yeah, this is in the place, yeah. Okay. So next one, Iver Chef. Kata Oli tu, what will you drink? Okay. Ol is drink, Olhi is will drink. So Kata Olhi tu, what will you drink? So just a couple more examples with Olhi. So an Olhi tu and Bjor. So will you drink the beer? An Olhi tu will you drink and Bjor the beer. And the way you say yes is you'll say will drink. Olhi. I'll drink the beer. Olhi me and Bjor. And you want to say won't you drink the wine? Nach nolhi tu and fien. And you say no, you say won't drink. Ni olhi. And I won't drink the wine. Ni olhi me and fien. Okay?
Holy man, check.
Yeah. So kata oli tu is also if you go and a waiter comes up and wants to ask what you drink. Kata oli tu, what do you drink? Okay? And then he answers, time sach fui laher a dragger column. So I'm full at present, answered column. The word sach has a couple different meanings, one of which is it's sated or full. Okay? So fui laher means now, like at present. Okay? Fui laher. Okay? So time sach fui laher is I'm full at present, I'm contented now. Okay? A dragger answered. Fragger is answer. A dragger answered column. Okay? A dragger. Okay. So the word soch you'll see a lot in Irish for another use, and that's to say kind of the idea of quite. So you want to say it's quite warm today. Tasha soch te inu. Which is probably the way you're going to see it more often. Soch. Okay? So it's a good word to
I
know.
thought that meant seafood.
Okay. Tasha soch te inu. It's quite warm today. Or Tasha soch fur. It's quite cold. Okay? Alright, Irene, Shafoij, Kahi tu jocha ol de ched huirch mar follows and show, a dirt here le gyargaida. So Shafoij means ridiculous. Okay? Shafoij. Okay? Shafoijach would be someone's, it's kind of silly, I guess. Shafoijach. Okay? And Shafoij is kind of like silliness. Okay? Kahi tu, you have to, okay? Kahi tu, you have to. Kahime, I have to. Good expression to know. So you got that one. Kahime, like I have to leave, right? Kahime. So kahi tu, joch aol, a drink to drink. Okay, you have to drink something. Kahi tu, joch aol. Joch is a drink. Okay? Joch aol, a drink to drink. De ched chuirch, on your first visit. Chuirch is a visit. Ched is first. The ched chuirch is your first visit. And on your first visit.
It has nothing to do with that cake.
No, it looks the same, but one means 100 and one means first. So you have to make sure which one you're saying.
What does cage mean again?
Ched or chuirch?
Oh, both.
Ched is first. Chuirch is visit. So, and
Why isn't it visit first? Why isn't it first?
most things in Irish you would say you would have the adjective after, but the word ched comes before. Okay,
Pronounce K and pronounce the word for 100.
it's the same word. Ched and ched. Yeah, except ched is aspirated usually. So ched.
So we just tell the context.
Yeah, and yeah, you'll know from context because 100 first of all doesn't aspirate the thing after it either. So the thing after gets aspirated here. Chuirch becomes chuirch, and context usually going to tell you anyways. Okay, Okay, so de chéad chuirt on your first visit, mephalos on my palace or to my palace, and show here, so my palace here. Okay? A dúirt said, Kira le Geall with a short laugh. Okay? Okay? Geall. Geall is short. Gaire, laugh. Okay? Now the word chéad, useful word to know, means first. It aspirates the following words. So the first boy is an chéad wuchel. The first girl, an chéad chalin. But it does not aspirate D's, T's, or S's. So the first person, an chéad dinna. And the first priest, an chéad sagart. And the first taxi, an chéad